Welcome to my video. This video is about backpacking in Mongolia. We went to the Mongolian countryside for 2 days and took the train to get there. We had a lot of adventures, some hardships, and also some very amazing enjoyments during this trip. And I hope you stay with the video and watch it till the end because you will not regret it. The train ride was really nice. I spent some time reading a philosophy book and filming the landscape from the window. The view of the countryside was amazing, very calming and peaceful. We went on a kind of hiking and backpacking trip with our tent. We realized our backpacks were so heavy so we couldn't get too far. So we camped at the area near the village. For our first meal, we made Mongolian porridge with dried meat and rice. I took the dried meat out of its packaging and we cooked using our tiny gas stove. It's really cute and compact, perfect for backpacking. Our campsite was right next to the river, which made the atmosphere even better. I learned how to use the gas stove. I'm usually a bit afraid of using gas because, it can explode if you're not careful. But if you do it properly, it's totally fine. I also boiled some water for tea. The bubbles looked so cute, and we poured the hot water into a thermos to keep it warm. Then we just relaxed for a while and enjoyed the beautiful trees and the mountains around us. Later, I filmed a little inside our tent. It's actually really nice in there. It does get a bit dark, but it's completely livable and comfortable. In the evening, I warmed up. I brought my slimmest pants, thinking they'd be lighter to pack. This is our beautiful tent. I love this village because it has a very cute train station. And I love trains. I love train sound. Every sound it makes. The sky looked gorgeous. The nature here is so beautiful, out of this world. It's nighttime. I'm talking to my camera. This is all our backpacks. Inside this, there's a tent, and these are our personal stuff, and this is food. And this one is sleeping bags, and this one is miscellaneous. And inside here we also put the gas stove, this one is gonna be very heavy. This is the train station. Today we're gonna go to a new place to camp on the other side of the train station. Last night we were in this side of the train station. The next day, a very kind person picked us up while we were walking to our next spot. It was such a hot day and we'd been walking quite a while, so it was really nice of them. A very kind person picked us up because we were walking in the scorching sun. We arrived at our second campsite, which was actually even more beautiful than the first. I feel like this water is healing me. So beautiful. At dinner time, I used the vegetables I brought. It was kind of funny because we were supposed to pack really light, but I still brought vegetables. Luckily, we used them all, so it all worked out. Vegetables. Morning, everyone. So today we're gonna go back to Ulaanbaatar. And yesterday we had a little fight with a local resort person. We were just walking and he said, "Don't go, don't trespass," when we weren't. But we were trying to use their bridge, but we didn't know it was theirs. And basically we were kind of harassed with curse words, Mongolian, 2 kinds of curse words. And I was so afraid. I had a knife beside me when I was sleeping in my tent. And it was hard to sleep at first. I don't know. I am a person with a very imaginative mind, and I'm not proud of it, and I pooped this morning under this, at the back of this bit. It was perfect for peeing and pooping. I'm so grateful for that, because it's very hard to pee and poop without people noticing, and also I'm afraid that people will step on it or something like that. But we pick up all our trash, and we are traveling very sustainably. So yeah, this is the river. It's 7 a.m. and the air and everything is so beautiful, and all my worries are gone. Today our last hardship will be endured, and we will go into our train, and I think our suffering will end. I'm a person who likes being outdoors and near the river, so I think this trip was really good, relaxing, except for the last night's fight. Yeah. Also, I think there's a shaman living at the top. If you can see there's a fence, because we could hear the shaman doing the drums. At first I thought it was this scare resort, but actually it was this resident. Some of my friends are coming to drink water, I think. On the way back, another kind person gave us a ride, so we didn't have to walk very far. We made it onto the train and got back home safe and sound. If you want to watch a video about me talking what I brought to this trip, you can click on this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye!